Hello my beauties, welcome back to Charm and Curve 24. I have another surprising product and this is another innovative brand in Indian skincare industry. 2020 we saw Minimalist came up with a lot of good ingredients with clean beauty policy, and there is another competitor for Minimalist and the brand name is DECONSTRUCT. They are reconstructing the Indian skincare game. They totally have 5 different serums which I will just introduce you. I have bought 3 of them, so I will share my review of one of the product which I have tried for past 5 days. First one in their list is the exfoliator, just like the AHA one from Minimalist. Then they have the pore control serum. Next one is their brightening serum, and there is a hydrating serum. Also, there is a product for breakout which is called breakout control serum. So I have bought these 3 products from this brand DECONSTRUCT, and I have tried this breakout control serum recently because I got some breakouts. The product looks like this. It has 3.3% of potassium azeloyl diglycenate. I think I am pronouncing it correctly. Now the ingredient is little bit new for me, so I did check what is that. So potassium azeloyl diglycinate is a water-soluble form of azelaic acid, and it is said to be the superior derivative of azelaic acid. Now azelaic acid, we all know that it helps with acne and pigmentation. Also, this azelaic acid is one of the underrated acid in skincare, but it's very effective when it comes to acne. Let's see what are the other ingredients in this formula. It has this 3.3% potassium azeloyl diglycinate as the second ingredient right after water. They have also added green tea extract, chamomile flower extract which is soothing for the skin. It has neem extract which is great for acne, and one surprise, it also contains lactococcus ferment lysate. We saw this ingredient in Minimalist PHA toner as well, so you might remember this ingredient. So it's a prebiotic. Ingredients are minimal and clean. The product comes in a glass dropper bottle which is a transparent cute little bottle. 15 ml bottle for 499 rupees. But anyway, I am using this as a spot treatment. I get pimples every month before my period comes, so I definitely need some products like this. So I hope this can be used as a treatment product. I have tried this for the last 5 days as spot treatment on my acne, and I saw it took 2 days to decrease the size of that pimple. They also have this niacinamide serum, which is serum. This can also be used as spot treatment on that dark spot which is the leftover mark of pimples. So both of these product works. Also, I have very good experience with the Minimalist 5% niacinamide serum, which is a staple product in my everyday morning routine. But I am not comfortable to use this 10% on my entire face, so I will be using this on problematic areas wherever I have little pigmentation issues, discoloration, etc. The other one I am yet to try is the pore control serum, which I have high expectations. So it says to control the pores, so it will take some time, I hope. But I will make a detailed review of this product really soon after I started to see some result. I cannot overdo with actives now, that's why I kept it for starting from next week. The product and brand seems so good and genuine, and they have really minimal ingredients in all their products, which I have seen in their website, and I am excited to see more Indian brands coming up with clean beauty ingredients, and let's take good decision for our skin. One thing which I felt when comparing both Minimalist and DECONSTRUCT is that the quantity we are getting is just 15 ml for DECONSTRUCT, whereas Minimalist serums are comes with 30 ml bottle for almost the same price range. So that is the one concern I felt, but let's see. I feel it's totally worth it. So I'm happy with the purchase of this product. So I hope this video was helpful for at least some of you, make sure to subscribe if you want to see more reviews and beauty related stuffs like this. Bye.